Well, hello. I hope that you had a good day. Today, we're going to talk about the proof. So, you're probably thinking, hey, can I do this? I don't know if I can even do this. I hope that through those prior videos that I showed you, what it is that we're doing, how it works, and this is indeed a simple beginner friendly business made for us. Okay. And there are people in our community that have never done anything like this. And I want to share this with you. Let me see if I can find. Um, so let me just make me a little bit smaller. So, that's not the one I wanted to share first. Okay, watch this. So this is Felicia. Okay. She said, my first sale in less than 4 weeks. Hallelujah. I just got my first sale of 900. She said, this is amazing. So hopefully this answers your question. This is amazing. If a 60-year-old schoolgirl with no experience in tech has done this, then you could do it too. I love what she said. Okay. Now, not only her, but obviously I've made money here too. 14 in a day. This is what I share because if you remember, I was the dasher. So I say almost what I made in a month doing the dash, and that's one customer. One customer. And my three favorite words are yes, you can. So I just thought I would share that. And I'll give you one more here from DoorDash to $1,400 days. It's crazy to me. And this is a lesson that I've learned. And I did mention this in a prior video. One of the biggest lessons that I've learned in the past 21 months at that time is that I don't have to give all my time or life away to make money. I hope that if you grab anything that you grab that, because we are so taught that we have to give all of our time and all of our money or all of our time in order to make money. Sorry. And of course, I'm always very grateful and I'm thankful and blessed to be able to do this. Yes, I bought a program, but I'm blessed to be able to do this. Okay. I'm going to get to the programs tomorrow. Now, here is another one that I wanted to share, not Felicia, Anna. So Anna had a 14 and a $900 day in one day, 14 and a 9 before 10 in the morning. That's $2,300. I don't know about you, but that's a lot. Okay. So she's like, I still have to pinch myself. This business is life changing. It is. It means that you can pay off debt. You can get out of debt. You can start saving. What are you going to do when you can actually stop looking in the bank, wondering, would you put your bills on autopilot? That's something that I've been questioning lately. I'm like, oh my gosh, you know what? Do you know how freeing that would be? Because I've never done that in my whole entire life. But I could actually do that. Um, what would you do? How would you feel if you didn't have to look at that phone like every 2 seconds to wonder, is this going to go through? Is that going to go through? Do I have enough to take my kids on a trip? Maybe you're next level. Maybe you got all your bills paid and you're like, no, no, no. I just want to live life and I want to be able to take my kids places, spoil my grandchildren, help out my adult children. Maybe that's where you're at. Um, I love the idea of spoiling adults and spoiling grandchildren because we really only do have one life and that's it. So what are you going to do with your time? What are you going to do with your money? Like I love that. I love that this opens up doors that maybe were never opened before for you. And I want to let you know that I'm here. I love this business. I love that as a homeschooling mom, I get to be at home with these guys. But if you have questions, if you're not sure, if you're doubting yourself, or you're like, I need some clarification, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, send me an email. Um, because I'm here for you. I'm here to support you and help you. Have a blessed day or night.